Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into one of Power BI's most powerful yet often overlooked features, bookmarks. If you've ever wanted to create truly dynamic reports where your tables, slicers, or visuals change with a single click, then mastering bookmarks is an absolute game changer. By the end of this video, you'll be able to add bookmarks to your Power BI reports, understand how they work, and easily link them to buttons, allowing you to control your visuals just the way you want. Let's jump right in. The first thing we need to do is get to the Bookmarks pane. So up at the top in Power BI, click on the View tab and then select Bookmarks. This opens up a whole new world of interaction. With the Bookmarks pane visible, you'll notice that you can start saving different states of your report. For this example, we have a table and a slicer already on the canvas. Maybe your table lists product sales and the slicer lets users choose a specific category, classic stuff you might see in many reports. Now, let's say you want to create a specific view of your data, maybe filtered to show only keyboards on the slicer, and you want users to be able to jump to this view instantly with a button. Here, how we do it step by step. First, click on the slicer, make sure keyboards is selected. This part is important because the bookmark is going to capture whatever is currently displayed, including the filters and selected visuals. Basically, imagine that you're taking a snapshot of your report page just as it looks right now. If the wrong item is selected, your bookmark won't do what you expect later, so take a moment to get your slicer exactly how you want it. Next, let's add a button, or if you'd rather, an arrow shape, just to make this more visually engaging. To do this, head up to the top ribbon, click Insert, and then choose Button. There are a bunch of styles to pick from: blank, left arrow, even icons, so pick whatever looks best for your report. The button can be as simple or as fancy as you like. For this demo, even the default option will work perfectly. Now here comes the magic. With your preferred state selected, go to that bookmarks pane from before and hit Add to create a new bookmark. Give it a descriptive name, let's call it Keyboard since that's the filter you've chosen. Clear names make things much easier to manage later, especially if you're setting up multiple bookmarks. Almost there. Now click on the button or arrow you just added. Over on the right in the Visualizations pane, look for the section called Action, turn Action on, and then from the drop-down select Bookmark. You'll see another drop-down list. Pick Keyboard, the one you just created. What you've done here is told Power BI that whenever someone clicks this button, the report will instantly jump to the exact setup you've captured in your keyboard bookmark. And that's it. Now if you want, you can test it out. Click away from the filter you captured, then click your new button, and watch as your report springs back to that saved view. It's a little like creating shortcuts for your most useful report layouts, helping your viewers find insights faster without reapplying filters over and over. Of course, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Bookmarks can control visibility, highlight explanations, even toggle between pages or narratives. You can get quite creative. I encourage you to explore further and see what unique experiences you can design for your reports. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop any questions you have down in the comments, and be sure to subscribe for even more Power BI tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.